Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up council tax in New Home UK. So search for council tax on your browser, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit pay your council tax, enter a postcode for your new address or new home address, right? For the area you are moving into, and provide your moving details, typically through an online form on their website. Right? So if you're new, complete the online form, enter the exact date you are moving in, the full address of your new home, your previous address, and forwarding address if different, and also the full names of all adults over 18 who will be living in the property, and details of the previous owner or your landlord letting agent if you are renting, your bank details if you wish to set up a direct debt for payment, right? So this service is only available in England and Wales. Okay, and once you fill in the details, submit the form, and just set up the payment. After receiving your bill and account number, you can set up a direct debit through your online account for easy monthly payment. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.